Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. This effect you're seeing is called Glass Morphism. Let's create it together, but first like the video and subscribe to the channel. So what do we need to make this? First of all, let's clear these. Chance. We don't need any of these and we'll build it again from scratch. We go and draw a rectangle or any other shape or object we need. I'm creating a rectangle here. And now we go and change its color to our desired color. I choose white because the best color for this state is white. I soften its corners a bit. And then I come and take a duplicate of my lower layer. Just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now I move it to the top layer, meaning my rectangle falls in the middle layer. Well, now I come and from this top section select filters, blur and Gaussian blur. OK. I adjust it a bit mechanically to reach what I desire. For example, I think now at 13 and 19 or maybe a little more. 13.19 is fine too. I click OK. After clicking OK, I right click on the layer and then search for. Now that I clicked it, I see it applied a glass-like effect for me. Well, now to organize it a bit more, I go to the rectangle layer itself and bring up the blending options. I select stroke. If stroke doesn't exist, you can summon it from this section. When I choose stroke to the size I want, now 3 seems to be a suitable size for me. Now that it's set to 3, I press OK. And then the next task I want to do is to see a text on the upper layer. Go to the upper layer, create a text and add your desired text. Just see this before apply the shape as if a glass layer is over my entire photo. I can move it anywhere I want and it's an attractive effect. Now the other thing I do is go to the top section and write some text, for example. Echographic. And like this, my text. And you can use these two types. You might choose not to. If you enjoyed the tutorial, just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and write other tutorials you need for me down here.